excited and happy. Siyempre, 9 years ko inantay ito. So, masaya.
Game!
Sabi ng isang kasabihan na alam nating lahat, mahaba man ang prosesyon, sa SBMA din ang tuloy.
Ready na!
Malayo ang pinanggalingan, Valenzuela at saka Giginto, and maybe some of you ay galing pa ng ibang lugar,
I love you, Dad.
di lang ng Bulacan and Metro Manila. But today, we are gathered here at nandito lahat ng mga mahal ninyo sa buhay. Your family, your friends, no, ay present today in your celebration kahit malayo ang travel, kahit malayo ang pinanggalingan, they are here. And why? Because they love you. Roxanne Marie, do you take Marknet here present to be your lawful husband according to the rite and of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do, Father.
Marknet, do you take Roxanne Marie here present to be your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Marknet and Roxanne Marie Concepcion.
He'll be happy kasi he loves Mark very much. Siguro, nakita niyang maipagkakatiwala niya ako kay Mark. That's why he's always in charge of everything. Like, hindi mo pa sabihin, nagawa na niya. Or pag may sinabi ka, there, yun na. Gagawin niya na agad. He's very responsible.
Pag-ibig na ba kaya ang nilalaman ng aking puso? Ikaw lang ang siyang laman itong isip hanggang sa panaginip.
Marknet and Roxanne Marie, first, always look at each other as a gift. Lagi ko itong sinasabi, look at each other as a gift. Because both of you are gifts. Kayo ay regalo. Kayo ay biyaya. Kaya, Marknet and Roxanne Marie, always present yourself as a gift. Look at each other as a gift and always present yourself as a gift. And consider each other as a precious gift na bigay ng Diyos, galing ng Diyos. Dahil yun naman talaga ang totoo. Pag nagnilay pa tayo, pag pinag-usapan pa natin ito, pag tinanong ko pa kayong dalawa, sino ba talaga ang nagbigay? Ang Diyos. It is God who gave best gift. Kaya, ano talaga ang best gift that you will receive today? Ano ang pinakamagandang regalo na matatanggap ninyo? Ang isa't isa.
Ibibigay ko sa'yo ang lahat ng bituin sa mundo. At kung magkasama tayo, ikaw ang tanging ilaw.
Huwag kakalimutan ang Diyos. Do not forget God. Huwag kalimutan ng Diyos na unang umibig at nagmahal. Huwag kalimutan ang Diyos sa inyong buhay pagsasama. Always go back to God because alam natin ang lahat ng ito ay biyaya at grasya ng Diyos.
Ikaw,
You may now
Ikaw,
kiss your
ikaw.
wife for the first time.
ikaw, ikaw lang.